Everyone's talking about China, but look east, India is quietly becoming a global economic force. With the largest population, a fast-growing middle class, booming startups, and big players like Apple and Tesla setting up factories, India may just be the world's next economic engine. So, what's really happening in India? Is it just hype or a real global shift? Part 1, the giant market. First, let's talk about the market. India now has 1.4 billion people, officially the most populous country on earth. But more important, its middle class is exploding. Over 400 million people are entering consumer society. Smartphone penetration is rising fast. Indians are shopping online, paying with mobile apps like UPI, and streaming more than ever. This means global brands, from Netflix to Nike, want in. India isn't just a source of cheap labor anymore. It's a massive customer base. By 2030, India is expected to be the third largest economy, behind only the US. And China. Part 2, tech talent power. India is also the world's tech brain. Over 1 million engineers graduate each year. Cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune are tech hubs. Many CEOs in US tech, like Google's Sundar Pichai and Microsoft's Satya Nadella, are Indian. Global companies outsource, innovate, and even launch AI labs in India. Why? Because India has talent, English fluency, and global mindset at scale. Part 3, factory of the future. But it's not just software anymore. India is becoming a serious hardware and manufacturing hub. Apple now builds iPhones in India, not just China. Foxconn and Samsung are expanding factories. Even Tesla is in talks to build at plants. Why? Because of the China Plus One strategy. Companies want to reduce risk from relying only on China, and India is the top alternative. India's Make in India program offers tax breaks and infrastructure support. It's a long game, but the world is watching. Part 4, obstacles to overcome, but it's not all smooth sailing. India still faces real challenges. Roads, ports, and logistics need upgrades. Bureaucracy and red tape can slow progress. Labor laws are complex, and education must catch up to 21st century demands to truly compete with China. India needs speed, stability, and skills. Conclusion: the decade of India. The 2020s could be India's breakout decade. It has the people, it has the tech talent, and now it's building the factories. If India can fix its systems and scale smartly, it may not just follow in China's footsteps, it might carve its own global path. The next economic superpower. Don't underestimate India. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more global market insights.